Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make your video look like old film CapCut. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So to make your video look like old film from CapCut, follow these simple steps. So firstly, open your CapCut app, then tap on your project, then tap on your chosen video, for example this, then tap on add. Now, find the filters, once you find it, go ahead and tap on it, use the search icon, and search for old. Then tap on the search icon. Now there's a lot of various filters you can choose from, so I choose vintage. Then move this to maximum, hit on cancel. Now go to adjust, go to saturation and reduce the saturation. Go to contrast, move the saturation from the left, and then go to vignette and just reduce the volume of vignette and tap the check mark, and you can preview the video. Once you're satisfied, you can export the video. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.